Welcome to Coffee Lovers Hub, to a journey that will help you choose between two popular coffee machine options: capsule and bean-to-cup machines. Let's dive into what sets them apart and what might suit your taste. First, let's clarify what these terms mean in the world of coffee machines. Capsule machines are all about convenience and consistency. These machines use pre-packaged coffee capsules, ensuring you get the same taste with every brew. All you need to do is pop in a capsule, press a button, and voila, your coffee is ready. On the other hand, bean-to-cup machines are for those who cherish the art of coffee making. These machines start with whole coffee beans, grinding them fresh for each cup. You have the freedom to adjust the grind size, coffee strength, and brewing time to create a truly personalized cup. Now, you might wonder why someone would choose a capsule machine. Capsule machines offer unmatched convenience, perfect for busy mornings or offices. There's no mess, and you'll always get consistent coffee quality. But if you're a coffee enthusiast seeking full control over your brew, bean-to-cup machines have a lot to offer. These machines are the gateway to exploring various coffee beans, refining your taste, and achieving coffee perfection. Let's delve into the capsule system. These small pods are like magic beans. Inside each capsule, there's a precise dose of coffee, and sometimes, even a blend of flavors. With bean-to-cup machines, the magic lies in the whole coffee bean. You have the liberty to choose the type of coffee beans you desire, allowing for an unparalleled coffee experience. The most significant difference between the two? Cup quality. While capsules consistently produce a good cup, bean-to-cup machines can deliver coffee excellence tailored to your preferences. So, whether it's the convenience of capsules or the customization of bean-to-cup, the choice is yours. Your coffee adventure awaits. Now, go and brew your perfect cup of coffee. Thank you for watching.